wash the garlic skips.
Two more bread. What we play today? Will we play? Baba,
Yes,
want this?
that's the orange.
I want to eat.
You need to wait.
It's open.
You can, if you are ready, the oil is go to the fry temperature. Well, how do you know it? You just put a piece of garlic skips into it, and so it started frying. That means this oil is ready. First, we add the bacon into it. Then we turn the temperature to the medium temperature, like low. So then we fry the bacon. Ginger, add a ginger to it, the chopped ginger, and mix it. They added the carrot. Garlic skips, garlic skips. Then we need a chopstick to fry, stir, mix. probably 1 tablespoon. Not 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Don't add too much salt because we also have soy sauce. Probably 1 tablespoon soy sauce. That's right. We can add some Chinese spices. It's certain spices. If you don't have it, you just add some Italy seasoning, stuff. Just let it smell good. This is just give a smell. Let it smell so good. If you don't have the certain spices, the Chinese spices, what do you add? You can add American or any seasoning and give good flavor. Or if you have cumin, just add some cumin to it. So we added some cumin, especially with cumin go with any meat. Cumin, add cumin to it. We'll try the carrot and the garlic skips. It is so soft. And it's done. So what do you get off the stove and put it. So it's done.